Hi, how are you? Are you okay? I hope so. Today we are learning transformation of graph. Here I am taking the question from June 2020 Cambridge IGCSE paper 4-3 extended question number 2. We will discuss this question now. First of all, let us go through this question, and in this class I am going to teach you how to reflect, how to translate, how to rotate, and how to enlarge. Okay? Okay, first of all, let us look at this question. Question number 2. Here in this question, you can see three triangles. Triangle A, triangle B, and triangle C. Okay, look at the question number A1. Draw the image of triangle A after a reflection in the line y is equal to minus x. Now first of all, let us look how to reflect an object with the mirror line. Here the mirror line, it is given y is equal to minus x. So y is equal to minus x we are going to draw. So this is y is equal to minus x line. So okay, you can make the table and you can give x values and find the corresponding y values. Any method you can apply there. Find, first of all, draw the mirror line y is equal to minus x. After drawing y is equal to minus x, this is the mirror line. If this is a mirror, this is the object, and its image will come opposite to that mirror. So in this region the image will come, and the distance from the mirror to the object, it will be same. So that concept we are using here. So from this mirror line, this vertex is 3 unit, 1, 2, 3. So in the horizontal direction, 3 unit from this mirror line. So from that mirror line, I have to count vertically 3 unit, 1, 2, 3. So this corresponding vertex, I got it. Okay, same process is happening here. From this mirror line, this vertex is in the horizontal direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now I want to count vertically from this mirror line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, the second vertex also I got it. Now I am finding the third vertex from the mirror line in the horizontal direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from the mirror line vertical direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I got all the three vertices, corresponding vertices. Now I am going to join these three vertex. Okay. Now I got the reflection of triangle A through y is equal to minus x. I hope you understood how to reflect an object through the mirror line. Okay. Okay. Draw the image of triangle A after a translation by the vector minus 2, minus 9. We can see here the column vector minus 2, minus 9. So minus 2, minus 9. The first value stands for x and the second for y. So what do you mean by this minus 2? Minus 2 means it's moving horizontally. Negative represent moving left 2 unit. If it is positive means it is moving 2 unit right. Okay? Plus means moving right. Minus means negative means it's moving left. And the second value, this the second value, it represents y, the vertical movement. If it is negative, going down. If it is positive, moving up. Okay, in this way you have to use translation. Okay, now we will discuss this question. Here the column vector, it is given minus 2, minus 9. That means the object, here the object, it is triangle A. Triangle is moving 2 units left, then from there 9 units down. Okay, we are going to discuss this question. Let us translate this triangle A minus 2, minus 9, column vector minus 2, minus 9. Okay, now how to do this question? Okay, so what I said, 2 unit left, minus 2 means 2 unit left in the horizontal direction, and minus 9 represent 9 unit down. Okay, let us move this vertex 2 unit left, 1 2, from there 9 unit down, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, same way the next vertex will take. From here 2 unit left, 1 2. From there 9 unit down, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now we'll take the third vertex. From here 2 unit left, 1 2. From there 9 unit down, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I got all the three vertices. Now we will use the ruler and join these vertices. Now I got a triangle, that is the image of triangle A after translation, the column vector minus 2 minus 9. I hope you understood. Now we will move to the next question, question number B. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. So here triangle A onto triangle B. So triangle A is the object and triangle B is the image. Okay. When you get a question describe fully, you have to identify what type of transformation it is. If it is uh, reflection, you have to write reflection, then the equation of the mirror line. If it is translation, you have to mention translation, you have to write the column vector. If it is an enlargement, you have to mention enlargement, then you have to write the center of enlargement, then you have to write the scale factor. Okay, if it is rotation, you have to write rotation, center of rotation, and in which direction it is rotated and the angle of rotation. So these are the steps you have to follow when you get a question described fully. Now we look at this question, triangle A onto B. So triangle A onto B, we have to describe what type of transformation it is. If it is an enlargement, there should be a center of enlargement and scale factor. Okay, that we are going to find. How to find the center of enlargement? Take your ruler, then coincide with the corresponding vertices. These are the corresponding vertices. Then take your pencil and draw a line passing through these two vertex, like extend the line. Okay, now you can take away your ruler, then keep your ruler to the next vertex. The other corresponding vertices you can join like this. Okay, okay. Okay, now after joining, you can take your pencil and extend this line. Okay, like this you can extend the line. Okay, so here you can see both the lines intersecting point. Both the lines intersecting point you can see here. So you can see the intersecting point and this coordinate. You can write the coordinate of this, okay, this x value and the y value, and this is the center of enlargement. Okay, you can write the coordinates here, x comma the x value and the y value. This is the center of enlargement. You have to identify the coordinate of this point, and that coordinate is the center of enlargement. from here we can identify it is -7 and +8. So the center of enlargement is -7, 8. You have to write it in an order pair. Okay, so like this you can find the center of enlargement. After that we have to find the scale factor. To find the scale factor of the enlargement, we can use image divided by object. Okay, we will measure any one of these edges. Okay, this is the image. So I am using the baseline here. This is 2 unit divided by the baseline of the object. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 2 unit divided by 4 unit. That is 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. So like this you can find the scale factor. The scale factor of this question is 1 by 2. I hope you understood. After finding the center and the scale factor, you have to write your answer in this way. This correctly means we have already identified A onto B is an enlargement. We have written here enlargement. Then if it is an enlargement, there will be a center. Center it is -7, 8. Center of enlargement is -7, 8. We got it from the graph. And the scale factor, it is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 4. Now we will look at the next question. As triangle A onto triangle C. We will discuss triangle A onto triangle C now. So this is rotated clockwise direction. In this direction it is rotated. So it is rotation. We identified the transformation, it is rotation. Find the center of rotation. First of all, you have to join the corresponding vertices. So these two vertices are corresponding vertex. So join the corresponding vertices. Then you can take the compass, take a compass and keep the compass pointer on one vertex and take your pencil to the more than half. We are drawing the perpendicular bisector of this line. Okay, so more than half of this line you can take the angle on the compass. Then you can cut the arcs here. Okay, you can cut the arc. Okay, after that don't change the angle, take to the other side and draw the arc like this. Okay, like this you can draw the arcs. Now you can take your compass, take your compass to the other end of that line segment. Okay, so take your compass to the other end of the line segment. Then you can cut this arc like this. Okay, now you can take to the other side. There also you can cut this arc. So like this you can cut the arc. After you can take away your compass, then you can take your ruler. Okay, join the points, the intersecting points of the arc coincide with the ruler, then draw the line through that point. Okay, like this you can extend the line. Okay, after that you can take your ruler. The same process you can apply to either other two vertices, other two corresponding vertices. I'm taking these two vertex. So these are the two corresponding vertices. Join these two corresponding vertices. Same process. Take the compass and fix it on one end of that line segment. You can take more than half of that line. Then fix the compass angle. then you can okay, more than half of that line. Then take your compass and cut the arc. Okay, like this you can cut the arc. Take the compass to the other side. There also you have to draw the arc. Then you can take the compass to the other end of that line segment and cut this arc. Okay, so take the compass to the other side and cut the arc. Okay, so it's over. Now you can take away your compass. You take the ruler, same process. So use the pencil to draw the line joining these two intersecting points on the arc. After that you can take away your ruler and the intersecting point. You can see here the two lines intersecting points you can see here, and this is the center of rotation. Okay, you can see the center of rotation. Both the perpendicular lines, we are joining the corresponding vertices and drawing the perpendicular bisector to that line. So like the two vertices we are using here and the two lines intersecting point, that coordinate will be the center of rotation. Like this we can find the center of rotation. So let us join the corresponding vertex. Then you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this line. Okay, now you can draw the perpendicular bisector of this line. Then after that we can join any other two vertices. We can join any other two corresponding vertices, and now you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of that line. Okay, after drawing the perpendicular bisector, the line intersect at a point, and the point where it intersects, that point is the center of rotation. We got it as 0, 0. Okay, like this we can find the center of rotation. After finding the center and the direction, we can write the answer. Triangle A onto triangle C. We identify it is rotation. You can write here rotation. Then the center we found it as 0, 0. Then it is 90-degree clockwise. Like that we can solve these type of questions. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.